Hey future scientists, welcome back to another session of 3D questions from Steamspirations. I'm Mr. Lara, your guide through today's exploration of how different energy forms affect natural processes, specifically evaporation. If this is a new topic for you or if you need a refresher, click at the top right corner for a video where we cover this concept more in depth. Today, we're going to conduct an experiment to understand how evaporation can be accelerated. So let's get into the science of drying. Today in our lab, we have two setups to investigate evaporation, each featuring a wet sponge. One setup uses a fan, while the other uses a lamp. This will help us explore the impact of different types of energy on speeding up the process of evaporation. Here's your task. You need to identify what types of energy are being used in our experiment and how they might affect the evaporation rate of the wet sponges. Here's your question for part A. Look at the two setups in our evaporation investigation. Which forms of energy are being compared in this experiment? A. Light energy and electrical energy. B. Mechanical energy and electrical energy. C. Light energy and thermal energy. And D. Mechanical energy and thermal energy. Select the most appropriate option and then proceed to part B. Here's your question for part B. Why is your choice from part A significant for understanding the experiment's purpose? A. Understanding different energy types helps us in analyzing their sources. B. Identifying the correct forms of energy allows us to predict the evaporation rate. C. Each energy type interacts with water differently, affecting evaporation. D. Different energy forms demonstrate the broad applications of physical science principles. So go ahead and engage with the experiment. Think about how each type of energy from your choice in part A influences the rate at which water evaporates from the sponges. Consider how the physical properties of water react to these energy forms. This hands-on experiment is designed to enhance your understanding of how environmental factors and energy types can manipulate physical processes like evaporation. It's a great way to apply theoretical knowledge to real-world scenarios, fostering a deeper comprehension of scientific principles. Remember to write down your observations, analysis, and conclusions in your Level Up workbook. This exercise will expand your knowledge of energy interactions and prepare you for more advanced scientific explorations. So don't forget to join our channel for more exciting content and updates. And let's continue to explore and understand the fascinating world of science together.